Curried sausages is recipe number 2 of our 30 slow cooker recipes in 30 days series. Did any other 90s kids grow up eating curried sausages? I couldn't remember the last time I had them, so I was super excited to make this. Some slow cooker recipes you can chuck the meat in raw, but for curried sausages you want to cook them up and chop them before adding them in. Actually, I wonder, what would it be like if you chucked the whole sausage in, then chopped it up before serving? Has anyone done that? All of the recipe info is in the caption below, and I'm always open to hearing your suggestions or recommendations for future slow cooker recipes. Across the 30 days, there's going to be 20 dinner recipes and 10 desserts. Tomorrow's going to be a dessert one, so make sure you're following along. Guess what it'll be? Once everything was added in, I left it cook on high for 6 hours, and then I added in the slurry. So the slurry is just gluten-free flour with some water to thicken the sauce, and I left that cook for another 30 minutes while I cooked the mashed potatoes. And then once it was all ready, this was the result. The sauce was like kind of creamy, but like delicious at the same time. It was so good. I would highly recommend curry sausages. Make sure you're following along for tomorrow's recipe.